एक में हो जाएगा. अरे सैम येऊ दे.
एंथोनी साहब
राजी राजी राजी
माला आता
राजी
आता एक एंथोनी साहब मेरे को
राजी राजी
एक सेकंड वापस तो रुको. क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग? अरे एक सेकंड
हाँ सर वन टुगेदर
Right to left. Now you're right.
सर राइट साइड पे
Right side.
रवि सर
यहाँ पे. Okay. Wait. Now you're. Sir, you're second.
गीतांजलि
Sir, right. Right.
कम
Just a minute, we need to see a single picture also.
वैभव
Yeah. Decide. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss. Waiting for your sous chef. Where is the sous chef?
Here she is.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Prachi Desai. Well, after ruling television screen for years, she has made her Bollywood debut in 2008 with Rock On and has been ruling our hearts since then. She's also won the Best Actress in Lead Role at the Indian Telly Awards. That's Prachi Desai for you. How do you feel being here, Prachi?
You know, to be honest, I'm super thrilled. I think we're all a huge fan of Chef Raj.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, right? And I'm so happy to be a part of Zoom's, third year journey for this super exciting show. Philips air fryers, thank God, it's
Friday.
Season 3. Well, I'm sure you all are curious to know what's happening in Season 3. Like he said, 14 cities, 84 recipes. What else is left to be made in the air fryer, So to give you a glimpse of that, what's the team been up to, let's have a look at something special.
अचानक कहाँ कौन सी गली में कहाँ से कहाँ आ गए सिर्फ उसकी तलाश में 8 शहर 8 सेलिब्रिटीज और एक मंजिल The hunt for the juiciest, tastiest and healthiest fried food. Join Chef Ranveer Brar on the tastiest hunt. Philips Air Fryer presents Thank God It's Friday, Season 3, powered by Catch Salts and Spices. Zoom, turn on.
Alright, so that's TGF Season 3 for you, ladies and gentlemen. Chef, apart from the tasty food, what else can we look forward to this season?
So, besides the tasty food, I think we're discovering cities. हर शहर का एक character है, एक व्यक्तित्व है, एक culture है. Every city has a language. And so we're discovering those cities, their language, their character, their culture, along with their food through a medium of treasure hunting. Now, treasure normally is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Here, the pot of gold is food and food memories. So that brings the whole show together into a bigger and a better space, which is, it's not just food, it's treasures.
Treasures, okay. Prachi, what's your take on that? Food and treasure hunt, how does that go together?
I think people are going to be in for a super surprise because who imagines treasure and food together, right? I always thought it's more about gems, stones and stuff like that, and I love treasure hunts and I love food. I'm a foodie. So I really want to see how this goes in together.
Well, Chef, you will be going to all the cities and you will be traveling. What about us? Yeah. How are we going to feel that?
We can do that now. What
All
about treasure?
right.
Yeah, of course.
So are we guys ready? Okay. So I think we have ingredients here in the room, right?
Absolutely. So we have 3 ingredients here in the room. We are going to treasure hunt those 3 ingredients. We are going to treasure hunt.
Right, so that's you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I need 3 participants for this. And I'm going to ask you guys 3 questions. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. And whoever wins it participates in the treasure hunt. Okay? Are we good? All right. So for my first question is, which is the oldest restaurant in Mumbai? Okay, your options are Pancham Puriwala, B. Britannia, C. Mahesh Lunch Homes. Can I see the hands?
Britannia.
Okay. No, not yet. Pancham Puriwala. All right, we have a first winner. Let's have a huge round of applause for her. The one who's taking the video. She wins it. Okay, so you're in, okay? Second one. In which city? Okay, no anonymous, no random answers. Please tell me, I'll choose, okay? In which city was butter chicken invented? Okay, A. Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Amritsar. Yes?
Amritsar.
Wrong. Delhi! Another girl there! Awesome! Okay. Okay, for all the men in the house. Okay, are you all geared up? Third, what is jalebi made of? Okay? A. Urad dal, B. Maida, C. Besan.
Maida.
Maida.
I heard you first, so sir, you're in. Okay, huge round of applause for him. Let's hear it for our 3 participants of Treasure Hunt. Can we have you all stand?
Can I
Can
talk
we
to
see?
Can I talk to Jaideep here from Zoom? I wish I had gotten such easy clues, man.
Like, what is jalebi made out? Okay. So we have 3 winners, and we're going to have a treasure hunt right here. I'm going to give you the clues, chef. So we have a few clues here. Yes, 3 of you. Yeah, please. Sir, you're in. You have to do a treasure hunt now.
सर आपको लगा ये वहाँ पे कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई, अभी तो कहानी शुरू हुई है.
मैदा पे खत्म
आइए,
नहीं हुई है,
आइए.
अब शुरू हुई है कहानी. आइए. Please come. We'll just have a photo op in a while. We're just going into a very interesting mode right now of treasure hunt. Please come forward. So we have 3 clues.
आइए सर आइए.
Congratulations. Yay, girl power.
Okay, so we have 3 clues and chef's going to give you the clue. और आपको इस रूम में ही रखा है, उसे ढूंढना है. Okay? The clue goes.
Okay, ji, the clue is most people eat me, that is no surprise. I taste great as chips and also as fries. Mashed or baked, I can be found. I am only grown underground.
ढूंढिए.
क्या बात है? आलू
वहाँ
पता है, ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
नीचे लिखा हुआ है क्यों कहाँ मिल सकता है.
क्या बात है? ज़्यादा दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. ये not fair. I
But
wish my
यार,
treasure hunt was as easy as this.
no. Sorry, there's a twist. This is not the
Okay.
one.
So your cue is you can find me behind the pottery jars.
Behind the pottery jars. Come on. You guys can help, huh? The audience can help. Behind the pottery jars.
चलो अब ठीक है. Now I feel comfortable.
यार ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता इसके आंसर्स कहाँ रखे हुए हैं.
At least सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं भागा टीवी पे, सब लोग भाग रहे हैं.
पॉटरी जार ढूंढिए. इस पूरे बड़े से रूम में कहीं भी हो सकता है.
हाँ,
नहीं, आलू चाहिए. आलू.
वैसे तो यहाँ पे भी आलू है.
Woohoo! क्या बात है. And he's found it. Thank you so much. Okay, now you may just stand here for a bit. Now the 2 ladies, you have another clue. Prachi.
I love to be buttered, love to be clapped.
Can't read it. Hello. Cheating.
Okay. I'll maintain the safe distance. Girls, behave. Okay, I love to be buttered, love to be clubbed. Often on a heated pan I'm rubbed with a tasty bhaji or cutting chai. Like a roti bread, you can eat me dry. Wow. That was easy.
तो ढूंढिए.
Okay. Look around. Found at a place which makes you go round.
Is there a pav there? Okay, then she's found it.
She didn't even need the clue. Well done.
Okay.
Not bad,
Did you
yeah.
read that?
Now, ma'am, isn't that pressure on you? We've got one more for you.
Okay.
Okay. It's easier for you. You can also read it.
है ना?
इससे
नहीं, कोई नहीं, ये भी
इससे
मिल
तो
जाएगा।
बनेगा ना अब. यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है, so you can actually go through it also.
Okay, so the next one is use me to garnish your poha or puri. Throw me in a chaat or a tasty kachori. Who am I? Use me to garnish your poha or puri. और क्या होता है crispy?
Indian noodle. फिर हम उसे Indian noodle कहते हैं. क्या बात है?
Find me at the control table. I like the name control table.
Control table. Full power. Let's go. Tick 1. Come on, audience, you guys can help, yeah? Tick 2.
कितनी अच्छी ऑडियंस है.
Control table, ma'am. Control table. जहां से ऑडियो, मैम, जहां से ऑडियो और वीडियो कंट्रोल होता है. मैम्स लॉस्ट. This is quite interesting, huh? I'm loving it. Woohoo! जोर से तालियां बजाइए अपने आप के लिए भी. You guys were a great help. Okay, now it's gift time. You guys have done a great job. May I please invite on stage Mr. Amit Tiwari to give away the first award, please? Please. Yes, can we have the gift on stage? Woohoo! Treasure Hunt first winner. I now invite on stage, thank you Mr. Tiwari. I'd like to call on stage Mr. Taurani to give away the second gift. To the second winner right here. Thank you. Can we have Mr. Ratnam on stage to give away the third award? Thank you very much. Thank you. Congratulations to all the winners.